Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Ukanrat ke Sangma, Ula Banjur ya kejing Donkam kejing Philiu Jingmutlang, Halor Kakam Lintiral, Hakithan Khasi Jaintia, Ula Ong Bakasorkar kan Ampenya Shikmat ya kene ke project, Lemdayo ya kejing Iasyllok bat kejing yo Jingmenjur Nabaro. Ula Penpauru ya kejing Sngewkhia, Babun ki sengsan perthei kim Shimlawan Jingïalang, Kabala Khot da Kasorkar ban Iasyllok Halor kene Kapang. Ula khot kerpang ki seng kaliang persha ban Wan Sha ke Jingïalang namar klem ke Jingïalang amla ban poi kanu ke Jingïalang ukan rat ke sangma ula ong ba kasorkar kandang beteng ban pensyai pat ba ya ke Jingïalang nong na ke projek lintirel bat ban sngap ke Sngewkhia jong ki pat ba knang ban la ban poi ke Jingïalang Ula Penpauru ba kani ke projek kadon Jingïalang bat ke Jingïarap ha ke yo ke kon Henry ke badon kam dei ke Jingïalang Iasyllok ba.
Very clear on the railways. I've mentioned this many times that it's a sensitive issue, and hence for us as a government we have been very clear that we will only move forward once we have a consensus, once we have dialogue and discussion, and we have some sort of agreement on how we can move forward in this together. And that is why, keeping that in mind, we had formed a committee. Committee means we had called a meeting, for an all-party meeting to discuss this matter. And of course, most of the parties didn't come to the meeting, and they just, in fact, some of them even wrote to us saying that we will not be part of this discussion. So that's where we stand. So we have to understand that whether we agree or we disagree, until unless we don't talk, we're not going to reach anywhere. So if you don't want to talk also, and then at the same time when we try to do something, and then you say that why are you doing it now and why didn't you discuss with us? It's difficult to move forward. So we are very clear, we are going to move forward only when we are able to consult and get everybody on board, and we will not move forward with anything until unless there is some sort of consensus in this. And continuously we are trying to engage with everyone, and we will continue our engagement. We will continue to explain to people about the benefits of this, and we'll try to address the concerns that they may have and see if we are able to come to a meeting point, following which we would be able to take it to Delhi.